6, 7-year-old kid, 5-year-old kid having a tantrum, what do? Ride it out. You really have no other choice but to make sure the child is safe. And if you have to, have them in another location, but if they're going to plant themselves in that hallway, I tag team with my staff and I say, look, I got to go do something. Bring your laptop. Can you sit here and ride this out for a while? But stop talking to them. That's the thing we're really bad at that. If you have a kid who's in trouble or they're trying to argue with you or they're flat on the floor having a tantrum, stop saying to them, when you can use your good words, we'll go back to class. And it starts all over again. Just stop talking. Don't look at them. Don't give them the attention. Wait until they're done. And then when I see that I might have a lull in the tantrum, that's when I say, oh my gosh, are we having tater tots again for lunch? And the kid's like, oh, really? I thought it was pizza today. Then I'm in. But I'm not going to say, oh, that's a good choice now that you're going to get up and do what I want you to do, because that's what they hear. So be careful when you're trying to get through a tantrum. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.